back, yeah, we'll be back.
Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4Shop. Today I want to show you our Porsche Panamera co-pilot screen that you can basically add it to the head unit that we have, and that gives some features on the passenger side that the passenger can control it. And also, if you don't like to see it, you can just simply shut off the whole screen. And the way that it works, basically right now I'm doing wireless CarPlay, so technically I'm going out. This is the head unit, that's how it looks like with the digital cluster. And also you can basically go to FM radio, or you can play media, or simply you can do Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. It retains the factory backup camera of the car with the factory sensor, so if you have them, it retains it. If you're not happy with the quality of the backup camera, you can change it to one of our backup cameras too. And this unit technically is individual, so let's say passenger wants to watch a video, simply click on video and they can watch video. Or if you don't want to do Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, technically you can share the Wi-Fi. Basically you can turn on the hotspot and share the Wi-Fi to the screens and use those apps individually. You can do that too. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. And these are the actually the vents that they're relocated to the bottom of the screen. This is the volume controller knob too. Thank you and have a great day.